So we have this entire information, and this information also goes to, let's say if you have connected Pipedrive, maybe Zoho, maybe HubSpot. I'll give you an example of Pipedrive. So we automatically connect all of this data to your Pipedrive person, so that you have the entire information, like what was the landing page and source medium and what's the lead score and all the activities being synced in real time to your CRM, so that your sales reps and account executives, they won't have to come back to Salespanel over and over. Plus you can use this data because this is all being sent in the custom field, so you can segment your reports and create nice views by scoring your leads by the SP lead score, which is again customizable. Your marketing team can create rules, like if somebody goes to the pricing page, downloads the brochure, plays a video, so you can create all those rules. So now we have a basic idea of what a lead is like. We also show you their account level data, which is basically the firmographic profile of the organization they are associated with. And there are multiple people detected from the same organization. You will see all the people from the same organization, and you will see consolidated view of all the activities performed by these people. Okay, now this is a case of a person who actually submitted a form, got identified, and you have all the data. Now let me jump back to the dashboard, and we are looking at last 7 days of dummy data, where you can see a lot of organizations being called as opportunities or visiting companies. What are they? In 92-93% case, you're not going to have the person submitting the web form. So like I said, we help you identify and qualify inbound accounts. So what we do is we try to identify the visiting organization. So this is very similar to what we have seen here, except the person is unknown, right? And you again have the entire firmographic profile, all the details about the organization, such as maybe they have raised some funds, their revenue, they are listed, number of employees, and what they have done on your website. Plus, apart from that, we also help you find people working in this organization. So maybe, it's a shortcut to find someone's email working in this organization based on your ICP. Maybe you're targeting someone from marketing department, so you can provide the persona, and we'll try to help you find your decision maker that you're trying to reach out to, right? Now, as you can see, again, I'm just for the demo purpose, I'm trying to show you that we have identified that there are more than one people from the same organization. So you can again see all of their activities. Not any of them is identified here, but in real data, in real world scenarios, some of them will be, because this much of activity from a single organization, meaning some of them might have contacted you or might have filled up a lead gen form.